Everything in your refrigerator is freezing due to various possible reasons, including blocked air vents, broken temperature sensors, leaking door seals, or an incorrect temperature setting. To address this issue, start by unclogging the air vents, as blocked vents can cause the temperature to drop, freezing all the contents of your fridge. Check for any food debris clogging the vents and clear them to allow cold air to circulate evenly. If your food is icy or there's frost buildup, the temperature sensor might be broken and may need to be replaced. Additionally, inspect the door seals for any leaks, as damaged seals can disrupt the temperature balance, making your fridge too cold. Replace any torn or warped seals with new ones to resolve the issue. It may also be necessary to manually adjust the temperature setting, as the optimum temperature should be at or below 40 degrees. Consult your refrigerator's manual to determine the appropriate temperature and adjust it accordingly. By taking these steps, you can fix your refrigerator and prevent everything from freezing.